everyone. So let's talk about JAM 2026. Now JAM 2026 is one of the most important exams for MECO entrances. Why? Because it will admit students for 3 institutes. That is IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee and IIT Kanpur. Yes, for those of you who missed this information, IIT JAM will now take in students by IIT Kanpur. 70 to 75 seats will be filled in through the IIT JAM exam in 2026. And we must remember that JAM is one of the most paying exams. So in terms of placements, these 3 institutes, the IITs, can offer one of the most competitive and secure placements that may or may not be offered by other institutes. So you may be studying, or your aim may be some other institute, but you must not miss IIT because of the practice. It's the first exam. If you are serious about this exam, you will be able to make sure that you are well prepared here. But if you miss this exam, then you will miss the boat. Most students would have started by this exam, so you will be behind them. So this is the most important exam. So now we'll talk about when is this exam. When is this exam, everyone? This exam is on the 15th of February. Yes, so here it is. The schedule of the JAM exam shares with us that 15th of February, and if you see here, this is, and our exam here is in the afternoon session of 15th February to 2:30 to 5:30. So 2:30 to 5:30 afternoon session is the economics exam for JAM 2026. 15th February is the day that you have to keep in mind, and afternoon session 2:30 to 5:30. Keep yourself free and let's do this well.